In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bulk verified reviews for WooCommerce products. If you've ever struggled with manually adding reviews one by one or need to populate your store with a large number of verified reviews quickly, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time and effort. Verified reviews not only help build trust with your customers, but also improve your store's credibility, which can positively impact sales. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to upload product reviews in bulk in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is create a spreadsheet. You can use either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel for this step, whichever you're more comfortable with. This will serve as the foundation for the bulk upload process. So make sure you have everything set up correctly here. Once you've created your spreadsheet, it's time to add some columns. These columns will include the product ID or SKU, the reviewer's name, the reviewer's email, the review content, the rating value, the review date, and the verified status. Each of these fields is essential, so don't skip any. If you're not sure where to find product IDs or SKUs, you can locate them in your WooCommerce product settings. Now that your columns are in place, it's important to ensure the data is accurate and properly formatted. Double check for any empty fields, especially for required columns like the product ID or review content. Any missing or incorrect data can cause problems during the import process, so it's worth taking the time to review everything carefully. Once you've cleaned up the data and everything looks good, download the spreadsheet as a CSV file. This file format is what you'll need for importing the reviews into your WooCommerce store. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Product Import Export for WooCommerce by WebToffee. This plugin is what we'll use to handle the bulk import of reviews. Once you see it in the search results, click Install Now and then activate the plugin after it's installed. Once the plugin is activated, you'll notice a new menu labeled WebToffee Import Export Basic in your WordPress sidebar. Go ahead and click on it, then select the Import option. In the import settings, you'll see a dropdown labeled Post Type. From this dropdown, select Product Review. This tells the plugin that the data you're about to upload is specifically for product reviews. Now, it's time to upload your prepared CSV file. Click on Step 2 and you'll be prompted to choose the file from your computer. Locate the CSV file you just downloaded and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, proceed to Step 3. Here, you'll map the columns from your CSV file to the appropriate fields in WooCommerce. For example, the reviewer's name should match the author field, the reviewer's email should match the reviewer email field, and so on. Make sure to double-check these mappings to avoid any errors during the import. After verifying the mappings, move on to Step 4. In this step, you'll have the option to review advanced settings. Most of the default settings should work just fine, but if you need to make specific adjustments, this is the time to do it. Once everything is set, click Import to begin the bulk upload process. Depending on the size of your file, it may take a few seconds or a few minutes for the import to complete. When the import is finished, it's always a good idea to verify that everything went smoothly. Refresh a product page on the front end of your site and look for the newly imported reviews. Check to see if the reviews include verified purchase badges, as this confirms that the import process was successful. And that's it! You've successfully added bulk verified reviews to your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.